Tim Cameron.
Sit down one first place trophy to pick up a
trophy?
Yeah. Good job,
All right, guys. First UTV race. Appreciate it.
Good run.
Good show, guys.
What's up, guys? Here with Tim Cameron today at the Outlaw race. How'd it go today, Timmy?
Yeah, you know, the Outlaw, those guys, they had pretty cool courses. It was long, pretty technical, good climbs at the end. And because I went ahead and raced the Bouncer and UTV. The Bouncer class was early this morning. Walked the hill, kind of got a little pre-game what we was going to do, and laid down a good time. I don't remember none of the time, so I'm pretty sure on hill one it was me and Derek, and can't remember the third place fella, but heck, there's a bunch of people here. It was I think it was right at 35 to 40 guys here, which is pretty awesome turnout. You know, weather was amazing. We had a little bit of wind to get the ground dried out, and it was fun. Hill two. I had about a 4 seconds on Derek. So I knew I needed to climb the hill, but I didn't need to slack off because Derek, he's no joke. He's fast. He's always been fast. He's probably always going to be fast. So I wanted to lay down a good conservative run, and I'm not sure the total times, but I was able to take the W, first place for the Bouncers. And the UT class, it was after lunch this evening. They ran the same hills. Of course, the big buggies, they dug the hills out pretty good, especially on that hill on the left. And we got up there. I drew the hill on the right, which was a big rock ledge, made a good run through the bottom, and I kind of went for it, and the RZR took it somehow, but the ledge is 4 or 5 foot, and I was able to hit and kind of skip, and it jumped over it, never slowed down. It made a good pass on it, and went over to my other hill for hill two, and it was bad. That's the one that got dug out. There's a lot of dirt at the top of it, and it got rutted, and I was able to make a good pass and feather up through there and take the win in the UTV class also. And it's a huge thanks to everyone who helps me out. Really do appreciate it. And time to go home, make sure everything looks good, and we got another race in 2 weeks at Wildcat. Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it, man. Have good luck.